I usually see Eastern Towhees pecking around on the ground searching for food. They look so cute as they scratch backwards, uncovering leaves and debris. They are usually seen feeding alone. But sometimes nature surprises us with moments of harmony. Today I was treated to seeing a striking Eastern Towhee and a charming Fox Sparrow sharing a meal at the same table. The Eastern Towhee is a bold and beautiful bird with its black, white, and fiery orange feathers. The Fox Sparrow is a large, stocky sparrow. It gets its name from rusty, fox-like streaks, a perfect complement to the towhee's vivid colors. Although they come from different species, these two birds have found common ground. This shared bush offered berries, a feast for both during this snowy, frigid weather. Have you seen these birds before? Let me know in the comments section. If you want to know more about these two birds, check out the description. And be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Doing so will help me reach my goal to share wildlife with more nature enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.